Okay, Dalton, any words before your hat?
It was a brand new hat. No, it's not.
Alex has it.
The wash will be in about 5 minutes.
Yeah. I got it yesterday.
Aww.
Putting toys in it.
Yeah, they are.
Describe your feelings.
My little brother gave me that hat as a gift yesterday.
I meant about breaking the 25.
Oh. It feels pretty good.
Let's see the hat beforehand.
25, you're not wearing a hat. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
A2?
Huh?
Oh boy.
Alex, do I get to shoot
That's a high dollar hat.
Hey, Alex, hold up.
Yeah.
What happens if you shoot a 25 but not wearing a hat then?
Which part
They shoot you.
We shoot you or the shoe?
You have to run across the field real fast.
Yeah.
All right, everyone line up.
Where are we lining up?
Get it even about right here so no one shoots nobody.
Alex, you want to do it or you want to ask Mr. Wim to throw it and you shoot at it?
You two, grab a gun and shoot. Yeah, grab a gun, mister. Hey, grab a gun and shoot.
Yeah, y'all can shoot mine if you want.
Okay, hold on a minute. I need to get a good angle here.
You're gonna record this, right, Dalton?
Yeah. Just tell me right before you're about to throw it.
3.
All right, y'all. I'm lobbing it.
Give me a 3, 2, 1.
Wait a minute, they're not finished loading.
Tori, back up.
Stay in a line.
Everyone put about 2, 3 shells in.
Are we all doing it at one time?
Yes.
How far are you? Where are you gonna throw it?
I'm throwing it kind of center straight up.
Hold on a second. Get a side shot. Give me a 3, 2, 1 before you throw it.
3, 2, 1.
Rest in peace.
Kept putting them in till it ran out.
I told him I should get my extended magazine. I have 11.
Great.
But hey, you can still wear it though. As long as
Right, I could probably just hang it up on my wall, put it there.
That's the whole point, though, is to wear it. Let
To wear
people
it
say,
cool.
what happened to your hat? And then you can tell them your accomplishment.
At least you didn't do what Alex did. Alex had a new Drake hat. Just bought it and bailed 25.
Okay, present it to Dalton. Let's see how it looks.
You see, this is still wearable. Mine, you couldn't wear.
Because we had about 2 weeks to do that one, Alex.
That's still good.
Actually, that's not that bad.
No, that's in good shape.
That's character.
That's right.
Here's the 25.
Yep.
Oh darn, that still looks good. That's still wearable. That's perfect. Glad to hear that part. It's quite well. That's okay. It's wearable.
That's
I've
right.
seen the whole brim of it shot off some.
That's good.
It's serious stuff. Congrats.
Thank
Well, I
you.
think everyone has Skeet jokes, and that's what it was.
Yep.